Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can use the shortcut app on your iPhone 16e. So to use it, for example, I have it in my utilities, and the app is like you can make quick shortcuts for certain things. It kind of has a Scratch kind of vibe to it. And for example, when you press the plus icon, you will be able to make a script, a control, stuff like that. For example, if we press web and press search web, and we have a prompt right here, and we type in dog, for example, press done, and we got our shortcut right here. When you press on it, as you can see, it has automatically will search in the internet for the dog pictures. It didn't search because I'm not connected to internet, but you get the idea. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.